ॐ यहरिते चिदभीषशः पुरा जतृभ्य आत्रिदः सन्धाता सन्धिं मघवा पुरुवसुर्निष्कर्ता विहृतं पुनः स्वाहा. Sri Krishna Maharaj says in in Bhagavad Gita, that I am Samaveda in the four Vedas. Samaveda has got very, very different dimensions to understand Paramatma. By understanding Paramatma through Samaveda, we can focus on Upasana. That's why Samaveda is also called as Upasana Kanda. This is a random mantra I was reading. I was totally mesmerized by this mantra. But Paramatma says, see, understand your body. Paramatma says, Abhi Shishaha Rite. Rite Chit. Rite Chit means 100%. Bina. Rite means without. 100% without any joining adhesive. Without any adhesive, like plaster or some adhesive or gum, etc. Without these things, abhishisha means gum or adhesive or plaster. Without these things, what I have done to you, I have done jatrubhyah atridah. I have connected your head to the body. So Paramatma gives a very, very important dimension to us. Like many of us has this problem that how do I bring Shraddha on Paramatma? We must try to analyze our body. That's what Paramatma says. Analyze your body. The head is so heavy and it is joined to your lower part of the body and there is no adhesive. If you cut and see, there is no adhesive. Prakritik Swabhavik आत्रिदह. गले के काटने से पहले ही, गले काट कर देखोगे तो वहाँ पर when you cut it and then see, you will not see any adhesive there. Also Paramatma says, by chance your, in accident or when somebody is doing yuddha, by chance if there is a hurt and then somebody is hurting, the opposite soldier is hurting in your gala, and by chance it is cut, Paramatma also gives a prerana and ashirvad here that it will, if you do proper treatment, then due to internal structure, it will again join. Not only for the gala, also for our hands. If your finger is cut due to something, so initially you just need to put some adhesive and then plaster. The surgeon will do initial surgery. But surgeon does not and surgeon cannot, and no one in this world can join the hand or finger to the body. The joining activity happens internally. That is the Vyavastha of Paramatma. So Paramatma says, Sandhim. Sandhim means the junction where there are so many sandhis in our body, right? So Sandhim means जोड़ने योग्य अवयवों को संदाता जोड़ देता है. Paramatma की इतना शक्ति है, when the body gets created inside mother's womb, see how it is created. Also when the child takes birth, initially for a couple of months we have to hold the head. Thereby, it's heavy, very heavy, right? So we will hold the head, but we will not apply adhesive that head should be fixed firmly on the body. It will automatically get fixed. You just have to give little bit of holding. The mother, when she carries the child, she will hold the head properly. Thereby or when she gives the child to to her father or his father, or to somebody, grandmother, etc., they will hold it accordingly. But after some months, after some weeks, automatically it is joined. You are not applying adhesive. This is the unique creation of Paramatma. So Paramatma says, Puru Vasuhu Magava Vihrutam Punaha Nishkarta. When some accident happens, when something which is unfortunately something happens even in war or in accident, etc., then Magava, then go to Chikitsa, then go to doctor, then Vihrutam Punaha Nishkarta. Paramatma's Vyavastha is like that, the body is created like that, that automatically we give a little bit of treatment and Sahara, it will start working again. The portion which was cut from you, it will start working again. I remembered one of my Acharya's disciple, his name was, we call him as Pailwan uncle. He's a wrestler in the younger age. Now he's, I don't know if he's, yeah, I didn't see him for the last couple of years in ashram. He's very old now, almost 85 plus. So I don't know if he's unable to come to ashram or not. But he has such a kala inside him. He told me once, he told me that a child fell down. People come to his gown to do treatment. Somebody got fractured, and then his hand was fractured into 10 to 12 pieces, the same hand. So he went to doctor. Doctor said, I cannot see the x-ray, it's not possible, we have to cut the hand. So then the guys, the gaon wale, they came to this person. He said that I ये धोती से थोड़ा सा he did बांधा रात को. So he has that technique. He will not use any medicine, etc. He just use a dhoti, and then he has the technique to fix the posture. I had a freezing shoulder some years back. I could not sleep properly also. I went to him. I met him in ashram. I said, Uncle, aisa hai. So he took a dhoti. He tied my hand in such a way. Overnight, it got almost 50% relief. I got. Then I came for physiotherapy, some exercise, and now it's okay. So that's what Paramatma says, Sandhim Sandata. So see, the message is clear. Parameshwar ki, the author is writing in Bhavat, Aho, Parameshwar ki kaisi sharir rachana ki chaturta hai. See the chaturta is not in bad sense. Chaturai in the good sense. Ultimate architect, ultimate creator. सो इसका चतुराई देखो परमात्मा का. यदि वह जोड़ने वाले द्रव्य गोंद आदि प्लास्टर आदि के बिना ही बीच में जोड़ लगाकर सिर को धड़ के साथ दृढ़ता पूर्वक जोड़ न देता तो कभी भी कहीं भी सिर धड़ से अलग होकर गिर जाता है. ये परमात्मा की कृपा है. सो इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेनेवर वी वेक अप ना, व्हेन वी रियलाइज दैट my head is present in the body, try to understand Paramatma's Chaturai. Ye Paramatma ki kripa hai that we are still alive and our head is fixed to the body. It's a way, seems to be like, for you, some of you people, seems to be like it's a childish words, but see, these are very, very गंभीरता से ध्यान देने योग्य है. गंभीरता से try to understand that we are alive and our head is fixed on the body. Without any gum, without any adhesive, without any external force, it is fixed. And ye Paramatma ki rachana hai. So Paramatma says in this mantra कि कभी भी कहीं भी सिर धड़ से अलग होकर गिर नहीं जाता. ऐसा रचना है. यह भी परमेश्वर का ही कर्तृत्व है कि शरीर का कोई भी अंग यदि घायल या टेढ़ा हो जाता है तो जीवात्मा और प्राण की सहायता से तथा शरीर की स्वाभाविक क्रिया से फिर घाव भर जाता है और टेढ़ा अंग सीधा हो जाता है. For people who do not understand Hindi, that's what here also the Bhavarth Bhashya, this is written by Acharya Dr. Ramanath Vedalankar. I find him very, very Vidwan Purush. Whatever he has written in Samved is really beautiful. So he says that understand that this is how the system is created by Paramatma. Even if कुछ अंग टेढ़ा हो गया, मतलब something is fractured, something is happened, some accident happens to any part of your body or some घायल हो गया है, then अंदर से भर जाता है. We'll feel the pain for sure. When you burn your finger in the by mistake, you burn your finger or your body part, तड़का लगाते वक्त या some accident happens, you will feel the pain. But slowly अंदर से वो घाव भरने का कोशिश भर जाएगा. और परमात्मा का ही कृपा है ये. Then Paramatma says कुशल शल्य चिकित्सक भी उस कर्म में, we must go to surgeon. शल्य चिकित्सक से भी उस कर्म में परमेश्वर का अनुकरण करता है. See, the doctor does not do fixing. I mean, doctor does not join it. Doctor try to fix it and then he leaves it. He observes it. See, the body will take care. Okay, I have fixed it. I am the surgeon. I have done stitching. I have done the fracture is now okay. Or the like that Pailwan uncle, he will say that I have joined it. Give some time. So he was telling that the 12 pieces of the hand, or I think it's hand or leg, I forgot. The 12 fractured pieces he joined it, and he told within 3 to 4 weeks the bone was completely formed, and then he went to X-ray. The doctor said the bone is now fully intact. What did you do? Where did you get treated? So he was asking. So that काम परमात्मा की व्यवस्था ने किया. द सर्जन इज ओनली ट्राइंग टू हेल्प. देखो, परमात्मा का अनुकरण करता है. युद्ध में यदि शत्रु के शस्त्र प्रहार से किसी योद्धा का गले का एक भाग कट जाता है तो वह कटे भाग को सुई से सिलकर और औषधि का लेप करके पुनः स्वस्थ कर देता है. दिस ऑल परमात्मा कृपा. दुर्घटना आदि से यदि किसी का अंग विकृत या टेढ़ा हो जाता है तो उसे भी वह उचित उपायों से ठीक कर देता है. So please remember Paramatma's kripa every day. Whenever you see your body, or you see your wife's body, or son's body, or daughter's sharir, see the kripa of Paramatma. Acharya always sees the creation. Acharya used to say that I see the creation and I see the creator. You people get stuck in the creation, but yogi does not get stuck in the creation. Yogi sees the creation and he sees the creator behind the creation. What we people do, we get stuck in the creation, we get stuck in the body. We get say, oh, I have a bicep, triceps, 6-pack, 8-packs. We get stuck in the body, right? But yogi Vyakti sees beyond the body. We see the mountain and waterfalls and we get stuck in the mountain and waterfalls. We get stuck in the beauty of this world. But yogi, they don't get stuck in the beauty of the world. They appreciate the beauty and they see beyond. इतने ब्यूटी को रचने वाला कौन है? कौन? मैं आचार्य wrote a भजन. कौन रचनाकार है? ये कौन रचनाकार है? Please remember, please listen to that bhajan. It's a very, very in-depth bhajan on questioning everything, that who has created this. वो वही रचनाकार है जो सामवेद. दिस मंत्र ऑल्सो सेस वो परमात्मा ही रचनाकार है. सो अहो परमेश्वर की कैसी शरीर रचना है. ये शरीर को जोड़, wherever sandhi, we see the sandhi joining places, like the hand is the shoulder joint or the knee joint or the wrist and the hand movement. See the joint. So we appreciate Tesla or other companies. Oh, what a robo they have made. Yeah, good, but the robo's inspiration is coming from the body, right? Robo is made based on the body, human body structure. So परमात्मा अगर बॉडी नहीं क्रिएट करता है, हम रोबो नहीं रच सकते हैं. भाई हमारे दिमाग में आएगा नहीं. So this is the wonder of Paramatma's creation, and by understanding the creation, by understanding, if you analyze that there is no adhesive here, what we are doing, we are just eating food. Food is getting converted into body automatically. We are not doing anything. Suppose if we are able to convert food into our body, then nobody in this world will be black. They will not like to be black. They will not like to be white. They will not like to be kurup. Everybody wants to will be sundar. Because if I am able to structure my body with the food what I eat, and the food goes inside me, then I am able to do everything. Then I will, accordingly, I can try to make sundarta. Nobody will get rogue, right? So, but see, the system is, you just eat the food. Rest all is taken. The same food, what I am eating, you are also eating. But your roop is something else, my roop is something else. Of course, scientists will say DNA structure, this, that, etc. बट अंदर से हम देखेंगे तो इसकी कलाकार कौन है. ये जो ये लिखा है ना, जोड़ने वाले पदार्थ गोंद, सरेस, प्लास्टर आदि के बिना कौन रचता है. कौन सुंदरता करता है, कौन सौंदर्य देता है? परमात्मा. So yogi does not get stuck in the saundarya. Yogi goes beyond. Yogi sees a beautiful woman coming in front of a yogi. The yogi does not get stuck on the women. The yogi just sees the creator. The yogi always links everything to the creator. They don't get stuck in the creation. We get stuck in the creation. We get stuck in the beautiful women or beautiful boy, beautiful men, etc. We get stuck in the padarth of this universe. But yogi goes beyond it. So that's what here Paramatma says. अगर आपके शरीर में कोई कुछ हो गया है तो चिंता मत करो. First try to fix it. Anyway, the fixing work is done internally by my vyavastha only. But you just go to doctor and try to give sahara to it, and don't get into ghabarana mode. Don't get into like ओ ऐसा हो गया, चिंता मत करो. वो तो कर्म का फल होगा, या तो किसी और प्राणी ने उसको अटैक कर. like many times it is not karam fall also. Sometimes I am walking on the road, somebody wantedly comes and hits me and go. It's not karam fall. It is his karma which is resulting in my accident. So even in that case, okay fine, you will get angry, you will say that अन्याय हो गया है, रेप हो गया, अन्याय है. हाँ अन्याय है, पर हो गया तो उसका चिकित्सा करो. Don't get into suicidal mode. Don't get into another negative mode. Because परमात्मा का कला, परमात्मा कह रहे हैं that अंदर से वो गाँव भर जाएगा. हाँ थोड़े दिन we have to go through the difficulties. But see, understand, if something is coming to us without our karma phala, either it is good or bad, like you go to a lottery, you go to a casino. Paramatma does not say that go to casino and play and win money. You go to casino, it's your own karma. You put the coins. I went to casino when I was in one previous company around 20 years back. So they took us to Goa. I went to casino. Everybody went to casino. So the company said, we'll all give you 100 rupees token. So you can play whatever you want to win. You can win. Otherwise, if you want to play, put more money, you put from your pocket. So everybody got 100 rupees token. That time I did not know Vedas and all. Not much. Basics, I know Gayatri Mantra. So I put... so I also went and played 100 rupees. Of course, I lost the money. Then I did not put extra money. I came out. But some people played. One guy won 3,700 rupees and he came out with 3,700 happy. Another guy got 3,700. He put his money and then he played. He lost everything. So मैं क्यों कहना चाहता हूँ, when you get money which is not the result of your karma phal, that money will destroy you. That money will be taken back by Paramatma with interest. Similarly, when you get dukkha which is not your karma phal, Paramatma uska shati purti. Paramatma will balance it in the future, in this birth or in the next birth. So do not worry is the message, and do not worry if some problem is happening. Go to doctor, or by yogic kriya, or by going to vidwan, chikitsak. No, maybe like I said that Pailwan uncle, like that somebody will be there who is trying to fix it. He knows everything in the sharir. He tries to, without medicine and with this technique, he tries to fix it. Go to such people, pray to Paramatma, don't leave upasana. And when you do upasana, when you wake up in the morning, when you see the mirror, when you brush the teeth, see that everything is jod kisne kiya? Paramatma ne kiya. So we can try to bring Shraddha on Paramatma by these techniques. Such a beautiful Veda mantra, Samveda 244. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.